y'all, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. In today's video, I am going to be cutting my own curly hair at home. I've done it before. It's not my first time. I think the last time I cut it myself was maybe like a year and a half ago. And since then, sometimes I get trims if I get my hair straightened, but I haven't done my own curly haircut in a while. But I'm really feeling like I need my hair layered. It's starting to look pretty flat. So this is my hair. It's a little damp because I did wash it last night. I'm going to re-wet it before doing the cut, but it's basically dry, and honestly when it does dry it's not going to look much different than this. So these front pieces, I want to bring them higher and I want to shape my face more. So I'm probably going to cut around 2 to 4 inches off all the way around, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. First things first, I'm going to need to wet my hair. I do have my spray bottle here. However, after I do this cut, I am headed out. So I might as well just take my shower right now and wet my hair and then get the cut going. So I'm gonna keep my spray bottle on hand though. And if you have a spray bottle, you're definitely gonna wanna keep it because we're gonna keep our hair soaking wet the whole way. So I'm just going to go ahead and wet my hair. Okay, so I'm out of the shower. I did tilt y'all a little bit so that I can look in the mirror and do this at the same time. Now, I already have a middle part because I guess I always keep a middle part, so it's kind of like stuck in my head. Separate this each side, so I'm gonna make 2 ponytails. And make sure the ponytails are as tight as possible. One on this side. Make sure everything is in there because sometimes I leave a little piece out by mistake. And just pull it down and make your ponytail. All right, so now we have to add, so I'm gonna cut this side first. So I'm gonna cut the left side first, and I'm gonna add another ponytail holder to the middle. This is a black ponytail holder. I'm rethinking the idea to use a black one, but it's okay. I probably should have used one. So if y'all can see, it's right here. For the next side, maybe I'll switch the ponytail holders. Okay, so now I'm going to use my measuring tape. You don't have to use measuring tape, but I'm gonna use measuring tape because I want to do like 2 to 4 inches around the whole head. So I want to measure it to make sure. So I'm going to stretch this out. All right, so find where the 2 inches mark is. I'm gonna do 2.5. 2 just seems way too short for, okay, so I'm gonna cut it. Let me show y'all how much I'm cutting off. I'm really not cutting off much, so I think I'm gonna do more. Cause I want it a little shorter than that. All right, so here we go. I'm cutting off about, this is 3 inches. So I'm gonna cut that off on this side. Okay, I'm gonna cut off right below the ponytail holder. I need to do it in the mirror, y'all. I need to make sure. And just a tip, don't use a black ponytail holder. You won't be able to see it. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this side the same way. I'm gonna add some water though. Make sure the hair is soaking wet. Okay, so we're doing 3 inches. So I'm gonna stretch it out. 3 at the bottom. And some of my last layers are still there, like I see them. Okay. Now I'm just gonna cut here. Now y'all can see how much I'm cutting. And stretched out, it's about 3 inches. Okay. All right, now have that done. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna flip all my hair over, okay? So, and I'm gonna put a ponytail at the highest point of my head so y'all can watch me do that. And remember, make the ponytail as tight and as taut as you can. And make sure your ponytail is centered as well. Now I'm gonna wet it again. Okay. And I know it probably looks like it, but I'm not combing through my hair with no product. It still has product on it from when I washed it last night. Y'all probably can't tell, but I can feel it. And I'm gonna add more product before I leave the house today. Okay, now put your ponytail holder in the middle of this ponytail. I think this is called the unicorn ponytail. We're gonna measure again. And don't worry about any hair, like if you already have some layers and some of the hair is not reaching, don't worry about that hair. That hair is not getting cut. I'm gonna do 3 again. I guess I'm gonna just do 3 the whole time. All right. Now here we are. And I'm just gonna pull it down and cut the hair under here. It's really not much that I'm cutting, but yeah. Okay. See? I'm not cutting much. Where I'm gonna cut most is going to be the layers in the front, okay? Which is what we're about to do right now. Now, the layers, I already have some in the front. So I'm thinking that I'm still going to stick to the 3 thing, but I also want them much shorter than the rest, kind of almost like a bang. Almost like a bang, not quite a bang. So I'm thinking I might go to 4. I might cut 4 inches on this next layer, but that scares me. This is always the part that scares me because I always think before I do it that I'm doing too much. So now I'm going to I'm going to create a part from just the front portion. So like right behind my ear to the top. All right, now I think I'm gonna just take the risk and do the 4, y'all. I'm really thinking right now what I want to do, but I think I'm gonna do the 4 inches because, you know, layers, I feel like this area starts to grow out quicker anyway. You start to lose your layers. So I feel like, why not? I can't find any of my other clips right now. Okay. See, my hair is already starting to get dry. We're gonna have to heavily wet this part again. Plus this is crazy how I cannot part this side of my hair. What the heck? This one. Oh Lord. What the heck? That was so difficult. Okay. Now we're gonna re-wet this area. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm doing another unicorn ponytail. Okay. I'm gonna spray it again. I just feel like it's not wet enough. All right, put a ponytail holder in the middle. All right. Moment of truth, because I'm really like, damn, should I just do the 3? Should I just stick to the 3 I've been doing? Or should I do more? 4 is a lot. Nah, 4 is too much. 4 is too much. Let's just do 3.5. Let me just do 3.5. A little bit more than 3. Because I'm going to be mad if it looked too crazy. So let's just do, all right, let's do 3.5. That's definitely a lot though still. So, wow. That's a lot. Is that a lot, y'all? I feel like that's a lot. I'm so nervous. All right, so take out these ponytail holders. Wow, it's so short. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. No. Let's see. And I gotta re-wet my hair because it looks a little crazy right now because this part started drying. Okay, no. Okay, this is what I was going for. Okay, this is good. This is good. Okay, this look crazy. It looked crazy because this part is already getting dry. It's really feeling really dry already. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna style it. So I'm just going to spray it, get it soaking wet again. Spray this hair down. Get it wet, 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 wet. I'm probably gonna do it as a wash and go, wear it as a wash and go today. Oh gosh, I'm really liking it already. I can see it. Oh, it's gonna be full. I don't even know if y'all can see what I'm talking about, but I can already tell it's not gonna look as flat as it usually does. So I'm gonna wear it as a wash and go today. So I'm gonna style it now, put my products in, and I'm going to use some of this product, the Mousse Death by the Dew. And I'm just going to, I don't know, usually my hair is like soaking wet out the shower. And that's usually how I do my hair, but I'm gonna do like 4 sections right now. And try to just, then I'm gonna use the Donna's Recipe Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Hair Cream. This stuff smells so good, y'all. And I'm just gonna use a good amount here. I don't want to use too much because I don't want it to make my hair weigh down. I don't want my hair to start getting flat again, especially after I just did these layers. So we're not gonna put too much product. So we still have some length. Y'all see that? We still got length. Okay, I'm really already seeing the difference. It is pretty short in the front. It's looking like it's gonna look exactly how I want it to. So we'll see when it dries. I'm definitely gonna show y'all the finished product when it dries. So now I'm gonna do this side and show y'all what it looks like wet. Okay, y'all, I'm a mess. I have hair product all over me. My hair is not gonna take that long to dry, but I'm going to show y'all later. So I'm going to go about my day and we're gonna see how it looks dry. So, you know, it's probably gonna fully dry after about 4 or 5 hours. So the next clip y'all see will be me after my day, and how my wash and go shaped up. So here I am, y'all. This is me later. My hair has fully dried and it is so full, especially in comparison if you go back to the beginning of the video. I'm so happy with how this haircut came out. I definitely will continue to cut my hair into layers this way in the future. I don't really see a need to pay anyone to do it for me. So I really hope that this video helped you to save a little coin, you know. I hope that you were able to follow along and cut your own hair this way. I'm pretty sure this will work even if your hair isn't curly. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing helps my channel out so much, and I would love to hear your thoughts, how it worked out for you if you did follow this process, or you know, anything about your hair in general. Make sure you come back to the channel and check on me. See you next time. Bye.
Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl, testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly.